Hi, Nancy. So I just sent you an email of how to do this. So what I'm going to do is open up the email that I sent to you right here. So it says, Nancy, I would use this link. Click on that link, and you're going to go to a web store that looks like this. From this, I already have it. See this blue, it says remove from Chrome. I already had it. It should say add to Chrome. Click on it. When you click on it, it's going to add your this shared contacts for Gmail, and I have it right up here in my extensions there. So once it's all put together, you're going to go to your Google Contacts, and I only have one label in here because I deleted all my other ones. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on this. And when you click on it, you'll be able to share this label. And that little person right there, I shared it. And if you could see, I can share it with you. I gave you access that you can do more than just view. So if I want to add somebody, I click add. I type in their email. So Nancy Budner at MassillonSchools.org. And then I push share. I'm going to push it, even though you're already on there, I'm going to push it. And nothing happened because I already have you on there. So I'm sharing it with you now. And now you're already on there. Now, if I want to add somebody else, I just click add again. And so now you should have my WHS teachers here. If this doesn't work, let me know and then I'll help you.